next question. So the question what they have asked, the three alternatives are available, right? So three alternatives. So what I say about the alternatives means in among all these four options. So all these four options, something is different. So that is alike. Alike means what? Something that is like last time I say it is about the odd man out. So take the first one, servant. So let me tell about servant. A servant means he or she. Okay. So but he or she, it is serving for his or her boss. Okay, his or her boss. But when you take the three, so the lord, okay, lord, and then a king, and then a emperor. Okay, emperor. So these three are the boss. So just get the difference, boss or ruler. Okay. So they have servants. So when I say from these all these things, so the alike is, so what is the one alike? Alike is a servant. Okay. So thank you for everything. So if you have any doubts, come in the comment box. Simple question. Okay. Thank you.